was about the most intense I've ever felt at a roller coaster. It's a pretty speedy lift hill.
Very smooth.
Yeah. New Vekoma, innit?
So apparently it's supposed to be smoother at the front, so let's see if we notice the difference.
It'll be whippiest back left seat. Oh wow, that's cool. Whoa! I don't feel like, oh my god! Oh, I don't feel like it's smoother. Maybe. Oh yeah, a little bit. I felt like at the front it was doing this a bit more.